The matter is in the High Court. The matter is before the district court. जे तेंका अरेस्ट केल्या तेंका भितर उडयल्या. As Luthra brothers are inside. They have multiple restaurants all over India, and I have heard that they have internationally also. So if that company is well to do, my first request on humanitarian ground is to give compensation, minimum 2 crore each to all those people who have died to the next of the kin. Whereas 2 crores is 50 crores जाता है. Plus जे कोण injured झाल्या तेंका एक तरी 25 लाख दिया न्हू, 20 लाख दिया तेंका. What government is given is from their side. म्हणजे government केन्ना कोण मरत हो incident जाल्यार 2 lakhs, so 25,000 for injured person. तसे दितात ते. But here the whole onus lies on the owner of the premises who was running the business. Who was running the business, that is Birch company, whatever is their company called, Birch by Romeo Lane. They should openly, from their heart, त्यांचे कावजांसून, they should think about giving maximum compensation. If they give 2 crores, it becomes 50 crores. It is not very big amount. And if they give that, people of India will be happy. People of Goa will be happy. People of the world will be happy. Because we have seen even the judge last time said with the accident victim of Banastari to deposit money in the treasury of the government, which will be given as compensation. So the family of the victim requires this compensation very badly, because a lot of people, 20 people from different parts of India had come to work. A garib log, these are poor people. Lot of poor people had come to work. Means these 20 people who died as workers of Birch by Romeo Lane are poor people. They are from, you can say they are from Bihar, Jharkhand, or they are from
Delhi.
Assam.
पण मायकल एक आम्ही पळयता की चडशे मेजॉरिटी आशिल्ले नेपाली तितून, सो दे आर नॉट इंडियन नॅशनल एज सच. सो थंयसर एक इश्यू जाता की
even from Nepal people, they come in search of job in India and they can work in India.
हय, पूण जेन्ना अशें जाता की इंडियन गव्हर्नमेंट कॅनॉट डू एनीथिंग फॉर देम, बिकॉज दे बिकम इनडायरेक्टली दे बिकम फॉरेन नॅशनल्स. कारण नेपाल,
they have come here, they were working, they have died. Their parents, their brothers, sisters are very, very poor in their country, in their state. Sorry, not. I'm talking about somebody from Assam had come to me. His hand was injured. And Mashetaka Poshe Tode Dile ki Ospak back to their gown. Some compensation I give. I helped, on humanity, on my this thing. But what I am saying is that at the moment, the case will go on in the High Court. The case will go on in the Judicial Magistrate First Class or Sessions Court. That is a trial, this thing. But people of India will be happy. We will be happy if Birch by Romeo Lane gives them compensation or announces a compensation of so and so amount of rupees to the next of the kin of the family, father, mother, brother, sister, or his wife. They have come here in search of work. 20 people died. 5 people are the tourists, and they also should get compensation. It was not their fault. So the owner of the premises has to have that responsibility of giving this.
तुम्ही सीएमकडे बीन उलयला या गजालीचेर.
See, this compensation cannot come from Chief Minister. Chief Minister has already announced his compensation. This compensation can only come from the company. This is my gut feeling, and if I get an opportunity to talk to them, I will talk to them and tell them first give compensation to the victims' family, to all the people who died in the accident, their family.
2 crores तुम्ही म्हणता एकटे.
2 crore minimum मेळोंक जाय न्हू अशें
For the
म्हाका
disease,
दिसता.
and 25
आमचो
lakh
value is what 100 crores, 500 crores, 1000 crores. My worth could be anything, but so many people have lost their life. But minimum compensation has to go, because it is not a murder. इट इज नॉट अ मर्डर डायरेक्ट म्हणजे कितें मर्डर म्हणजे कितें ताका वचून सुरी तोपूंक ना बट द वे द लायसन्सीस वर गिवन एंड दीस एंड दॅट आय हॅव मेड अ स्टेटमेंट अर्लियर व्हेरी स्ट्रॉंगली स्टेटमेंट दॅट so much of negligence which amounts to murder. But it is not directly, somebody has not removed a gun and shot or put a knife in somebody's stomach. So I am saying that the victim families deserves the compensation.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.